Very good morning, children. Today we'll see sums in which we will not be able to convert all x together and all y together. So there we need to understand which term is creating a problem. So whichever term is creating a problem, that will substitute as another variable. Now if you observe the first sum over here, this x and y cannot be separated, correct? Though I apply the formula of sin a plus b also, I will not be able to separate x and y together. So if you see, this x plus y is creating problem for me, or I can say this is the term which cannot be separated. So I'll put this term as u. I'll substitute x plus y as u. The moment I substitute, I'll differentiate. तो x का डेरिवेटिव 1, y का डेरिवेटिव dy by dx and u का डेरिवेटिव du by dx. Now I'll do proper substitutions in the sum. So what is 1 plus dy by dx we are getting? Du by dx. So therefore du by dx equals cosec, what is x plus y? U. Now if you observe, it has become variable separable. I can take cosec u on this side, dx on right side. So I get du upon cosec u equals dx. Let us integrate now. What is 1 upon cosec u? Sin u. Sin u du is equal to dx. Integration of sin u is minus cos u. Integration of dx is x plus c. Now what is u? U is nothing but x plus y. So minus cos x plus y is equal to x plus c. Don't forget to resubstitute. This will be your answer. Understood? Yes? Just one step extra. Rest everything is same. Next is dy by dx is equal to 4x plus y plus 1 the whole square. Okay? If you observe, this is the only term which cannot be separated. So I will say let 4x plus y plus 1 equals u. I will differentiate. So 4 plus dy by dx equals du by dx. Therefore, what is the value of dy by dx now? It is du by dx minus 4. I'll substitute this value over here. Therefore, I get du by dx minus 4 and this becomes u squared. That is du by dx equals u square plus 4. Now it is variable separable. कैसे? du upon u square plus 4 equals dx. इंटीग्रेट करो. x square plus a square का फॉर्मूला, that is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a is equal to x plus c. Now substitute u as the original value. You will get half tan inverse. U becomes 4x plus y plus 1 upon 2 equal to x plus c. Understood? Clear everybody? Okay, now third one, dy by dx is equal to cos x plus y. Same like the first sum. So I will write put x plus y as u. That is 1 plus dy by dx becomes du by dx. That is dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus 1. This value I have to substitute here. So I get du by dx minus 1 is equal to cos, what is x plus y? U. सो योर du by dx हो जाएगा 1 plus cos u, that is du. What is 1 plus cos u? 2 cos square u by 2 और dx यहाँ पर नाल इंटीग्रेट cos square u ऊपर जाएगा, सो हाफ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sec square u by 2 du is equal to dx. sec square का इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? tan u, सो हाफ tan u by 2 बाय चेन रूल नीचे भी हाफ आएगा, इसका इंटीग्रेशन x प्लस c, कट कट, सो tan u, व्हाट वाज द u? x plus y, so tan x plus y by 2 is equal to x plus c. Clear everyone? Yes. Okay, next one children, third one, x minus y the whole square dy by dx equals a square. Again, what you cannot differentiate or separate? X minus y. So I'll say let x minus y be u. What will get? 1 minus dy by dx equals du by dx. That is, what is the value of 1 plus, sorry ये आ जाएगा 1 minus du by dx equals dy by dx. I got the value of dy by dx. I'll substitute here. ये कितना है? u square 1 minus du by dx equals a square. u नीचे जाएगा, 1 minus du by dx a square upon u square. I'll take this on left side. So 1 minus a square upon u square du by dx, that is u square minus a square upon u square. अब ये वेरिएबल सेपरेबल हो गया है, I'll shuffle, so I get u square upon u square minus a square du is equal to dx. I need to integrate. What will I do? दोनों का डिग्री सेम है, so I'll adjust denominator in numerator. So what will I get? U square minus a square plus a square upon is equal to dx. I'll give this denominator to both of them, so I'll get u square minus a square upon u square minus a square du, a square constant, du upon u square minus a square, ये dx. ये कट, du का इंटीग्रेशन u, 1 upon x square minus a square is 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a is equal to x plus c. Now substitute again u. What is u? X minus y. So x minus y plus cut a by 2 log x minus y minus a, x minus y plus a is equal to x plus c. So x cut. If you want, you can take y on right side also. Okay. Now the next sum is very nice. That's the fourth one. Sorry, this is the fifth one, and this was the fourth one. Fifth one is, it is x plus y dy by dx is equal to sec x square plus y square. Okay. Again, we know that this cannot be separated, so I will say let x square plus y square equals u. इसका डेरिवेटिव नाउ 2x plus 2y dy by dx equals du by dx. Now see, by doing this part is by default solved. Now this part has to be substituted. यहाँ से क्या कॉमन निकलेगा 2. So what will I get? X plus y dy by dx equals half du by dx. Substitute the respective values. So I'll get half du by dx is equal to sec u. Yeah. So it becomes du by sec u 2dx. इंटीग्रेट करेंगे, sec u ऊपर जाएगा तो cos u du 2dx. cos u का इंटीग्रेशन sin u 2x plus c. What is u? So sin x square plus y square 2x plus c. Understood? Yes. Let us go for next sum now. And the sixth one. I hope you are getting it. It is cos square x minus 2y is equal to 1 minus 2 dy by dx. What will put here substitution? The angle, that is x minus 2y is equal to u. Differentiate किया 1 minus 2 dy by dx equals du by dx. Substitute करो, क्या आएगा? cos square u और ये हो जाएगा du by dx, है ना? This value and this are same. तो क्या हो जाएगा? du by cos square u is equal to dx. इंटीग्रेट करो, ये हो जाएगा sec square u du, ये dx. इसका इंटीग्रेशन x प्लस c, sec square u का tan u. Substitute u, so tan x minus 2y is equal to x plus c. This will be your answer. Understood? Yes. The next sum, 2x minus 2y plus 3 dx minus. Now it is about particular solution because they are given x as 0 and y as 1. So first I will find dy by dx, that is 2x minus 2y plus 3 dx. So become x minus y plus 1 dy. Therefore my dy by dx becomes 2x minus 2y plus 3 x minus y plus 1. Now if you see, you can put denominator also as t, you can put numerator also, but it will be difficult. So because I can see denominator and numerator, if I take 2 common, I can see x minus y plus 1 in numerator also. So what will I do? I will put x minus y plus 1 as u. So what will I get? 1 minus dy by dx as du by dx. That is 1 minus du by dx as dy by dx. Substitute these values. So 1 minus du by dx. Now I'll write purposely this as 2x minus 2y plus 2 plus 1. So that this can be written as 2 times x minus y plus 1 plus 1. So numerator हो जाएगा 2u plus 1 upon u. And take this on left side, this on right side. So 1 minus 2u plus 1 upon u is equal to du by dx. So u minus 2u minus 1 upon u du by dx. So I get minus u minus 1 upon u is equal to du by dx. Shuffle, so u upon u plus 1 du. मैंने माइनस कॉमन निकाला है, सो माइनस dx. इंटीग्रेट करो. Again, degrees are same, so as usual I'll copy denominator in numerator and give denominator to both minus dx. इसका क्या आएगा du minus du upon u plus 1 minus dx. du का इंटीग्रेशन u, इसका इंटीग्रेशन log u plus 1, इसका minus x plus c. Substitute what is u now? X minus y plus 1. X minus y plus 1. X minus y, this will become 2 minus x plus c. That is 2x minus y plus 1 minus log x minus y plus 2 is equal to c. Okay. Now they have said x is 0 and y is 1. Substitute x as 0 and y as 1. X 0, y is 1. Therefore, I get c as 0. Hence, my particular solution is 2x minus y plus 1 minus log equal to 0. This will be your final answer. Okay. The next lecture we will be studying about homogeneous equations. What do you mean by homogeneous? We'll see in the next class. Thank you.